If the back glass of an iPhone is damaged, would you choose to replace just the back glass? Or replace the entire back assembly? This iPhone 13 only has a cracked back glass. The frame and screen are fine. However, the battery health is down to 62%. In this situation, third-party repair shops usually recommend replacing the back glass and also replacing the battery. But many people are hesitant. After all, replacing the back glass doesn't always achieve a perfect result. So many people opt for the official repair process, a more standard after-sales replacement of the back cover assembly. But after learning the actual cost of official after-sales repair, they might change their minds. The official after-sales repair standards and procedures are unquestionable. Nothing is more convincing than the manufacturer's own after-sales service. However, the price of the official back cover assembly and battery repair is enough to buy a used phone. So, many people, after inquiring about the after-sales price, ultimately choose the third-party repair. After all, a few $100s versus a few $1,000s. That's a huge difference. Next, the remaining adhesive camera on the back cover is the trickiest part to handle. This line is skipped as per instruction 4. 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 Since the battery health is down to 62%, the battery needs to be replaced. A battery replacement is necessary. A battery cell transplant method is used. The advantage is not only that there's no battery pop-up warning, but the battery health can also be monitored. Now the battery is ready. Next, the disassembled parts are reassembled into the phone casing. The screws are tightened. This line is skipped as per instruction 4. It's secured. After applying new waterproof adhesive, the back glass can be installed. This line is skipped as per instruction 4. This line is skipped as per instruction 4. Sufficient adhesive is applied. This line is skipped as per instruction 4. 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 After confirming there are no issues, the screen is reassembled. This line is skipped as per instruction 4. Finally, the remaining screws are tightened. The phone is perfectly repaired.